Did you already install it?
Yeah, it's done. No,
it's done. Fantastic.
No, it's not. It's just I wanted to see how it looked. And,
looks good. Well, I fit in there with my helmet and
yes,
stuff.
because helmet is here.
Nice. All right. Well, we'll have a look. I'm off. See you. Bye.
Bye.
Gonna see if we can.
Cheers.
See if we can put maybe this on the 7 poster at Bilstein. Yeah, that would be nice. Would be nice because we are going to a Bilstein event before tomorrow's first outing with the M4 GT4 by M2. Are you excited?
Yes.
And hungry?
Oh yes.
Oh yes. All right. So let's go with the Lucid, a video of which still needs to go online, where I actually introduce you the car and also do laps. But fantastic car, 11 horsepower and on Bilstein suspension from factory, yes, OEM. So let's go.
What's the there?
Ooh, hello.
You didn't even notice.
No, that's what happens when you live at the Nürburgring. You just like don't really are seeing stuff. That's an F8 of Rent for Ring that people can actually rent to drive. But always remember to buckle up, kids. Actually, the car has been updated. What's in there? See what's new. Learn more. Here. Improving handling diagnostics, trouble codes. From the restraint control module. Over the year update, okay. Anyway, my favorite feature of the Lucid actually. Bye.
The best.
So Jimmy and Annie are here with their MPV. What's this? Some fancy AMG. I love how it's...
Where are the centimeters gone?
It's only when you have the... maybe it... Yeah, yes. You see? It's like it shows like 106 still
so
there.
Cool.
Yeah. Check out the goodbye light. Or coming home. Or leaving home. I don't know. Woo! Fancy. Vulcan tires are our new partner for the 2024 season. So we'll be running on Vulcans, also Paget Racing for the brake pads, Ravenel for the oil, and of course Bilstein suspension. And, well, Black Vulcan speaks for itself. I wonder what this is. Ooh. It's maybe the new C63 AMG, or maybe, that's probably one of the test vehicles, because Manuel Metzger is confirmed as a 4th driver, and he's he's definitely like a chief, he's developing AMGs, yes. He used to be a factory driver for AMG and now he's doing basically that. So it could be that is his company car. Oh, show your nails. Fantastic. How are you?
Good to see you.
Nice. We're doing a big remap for tomorrow, stage 24. Actually, we are running unlimited power. We are allowed to run, I think, 530 or 550 horsepower. So it will be interesting. Oh, fancy hoodie. How are you doing? Hey, good, you?
0%, mate.
0%.
0%.
Okay.
Racing driver.
Okay.
Do it properly now.
Is that MG?
MG screen.
Oh my god. Is he right here?
Oh yeah.
They've got your name wrong.
Yeah, they need to change my name because my racing license now says basically my @ because in Germany you're allowed to have a pseudonym, so you can call yourself Bugs Bunny or Jamie Broadbent while you're not Jamie Broadbent. I should have done that actually.
Yeah,
it's like
yourself Jimmy Broadbent.
Yes. Everyone should just be Jimmy Broadbent, and I decided to go for @MG Charoudin.
As if you need more followers on Instagram.
I do. I'm almost close to 1 million. Definitely. Yeah. Yeah. The speed is a big X. So yeah, tomorrow our first outing on the Nürburgring. Excited. I'm sure you already have seen. Oh, Motorola. So this is basically BMW 7 Series, pretty much now with a big Motorola, big phone. That would be nice. Oh, we have some camera installed as well. These are new. I don't remember them from last time. So it's beautiful. Nice. Ooh, what are those?
You're famous. Dude, you're on here like 4 times.
Ooh.
We're on here like once.
That's nice.
You do the same picture on there twice.
It's nice. I like it. Yeah. I like it dressed. It's fancy. Beautiful. Where are the dogs? Why not here?
They are terrorizing Jamie right now.
Oh, why is he not here?
Because someone needs to come to the top.
Oh no. So, who's gonna look at them during the race? Who's gonna be doing the live stream?
It'll work, it's fine, don't worry about it.
They're going to be terrorizing.
Oh, it looks like you're an angel because there are like lights behind you, above you, and it's like you have a halo. Oh, that could be the thumbnail. Jimmy died and reincarnated as a race car driver.
Race one.
Race one.
The old car's on the 7th.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. I wonder what will be happening with the... Oh look, it has some different names on it, so I guess there are some new drivers that will be driving the car. I don't know if it's for this weekend or maybe for RCN or maybe both. Cool.
Last but not least, we also have the great drivers. The guys that last year, Jimmy, Misha and Steve, that last year also already surprised us by their performance that we hardly couldn't believe. I mean, after 3 races we overtook the reigning champion in the VT2. That was a moment for me that I couldn't believe, still can't believe it. It was really cool, the experience with you guys last year. I'm looking so much forward to this year. And the greatest joy for me is the 4th driver now rejoining Black Falcon after a few years off, not too long, but rejoining Black Falcon, Manuel Metzger. I'm extremely happy that you're back. Welcome back, Manuel.
Thanks.
Head of the project, Christoph from Bierstein.
Thank you very much, Alex. Actually not the head of the project, but one of the crazy guys who actually had the idea. It's actually 2 years ago when Misha and I sat together, had this crazy idea of even establishing an own racing team, and then we had to convince Fabian, who actually owned the budget, right? So, anyway.
You have something new here. That's MG Charoudin there.
Oh yeah.
That's MG.
We have a second kickoff today.
Racewear.
Ever that we provide the catering for this event, for the kickoff event, with our own kitchen. So from today, our Black Falcon Competence Center Bierstein kitchen is officially in place. Hope you enjoy it. The buffet is open.
Nice.
YouTube day. Oh, got the James Robin on there. Nice. This will say MG. There we go.
Nice.
It's nice and clean. Oh, look at this. For now.
It feels much lighter.
It feels lighter, yeah.
Much. Yes. What do you have?
The guys, Vulcan on there.
Oh yes.
Paddy's on there as well.
How does it feel to have a race suit again after 2 years?
Finally, I missed the smell.
Excited. You'll see me wearing mine tomorrow.
Let me see the material. Girlfriend check. Ooh.
It's really good.
It's soft.
It's much lighter and breathable.
Yeah. Yes.
I'm so happy.
It's not that.
In the car now,
It's not that stiff like.
Yeah, the last one was so thick.
Alright, car is nice and all, but we'll see plenty of that more. Let's see what we have for food. Ooh, is that chicken? Looks like it.
No, it's actually halloumi.
Or is it mozzarella or something?
No, it's vegetarian stuff.
Ah, vegetarian stuff. Okay. Here's chicken for the games. Sausage. That. Very good. Maurice, where's dessert?
Where's the cake?
Where's the cake? Where's the cake? No.
I'm just thinking my Invisalign.
Last month I racing. Oh.
That's mine.
Yeah.
That's mine.
One day. Now the lights are out, so we have a bit of more atmosphere. By the way, check this out. That's the Evo R from the 3 Series, but we have also Evo R on the Speedster, but also on the GT4. So let me quickly show you there underneath. Yeah, there we go. And also on the GR86. Well, that's it. The car is gonna go to the paddock now, and tomorrow we'll be doing our first test laps. The plan is that Manuel Metzger will be doing first setup laps, so we can get some more sleep. And one of the testings, because Nürburgring has lots of jumps, etc. Unlike Portimao, is the car is standing very high and it will be dropped lap by lap. We'll go lower and lower until it's perfect. Because if we go too low and we're gonna take off the front splitter of 8,000 euros, that will be not good. So lots of testing tomorrow, lots of fun. By the way, check out our starting number 150, which relates to 150 years of Bilstein from last year. This year is going to be 151, but still a very nice and beautiful number. Yay! Excited, excited. See you guys tomorrow. Can't wait. All right, Maggie.
Yes.
First time driving Lucid.
Yes. So how it turns on?
It is on.
Okay, how
It's similar to Polestar. It's already on, you don't need to turn it on, you put your foot on the brake and you put it in gear. And the gear is here, like with the Mercedes.
Okay.
So you just put
Just
it...
like-
No, you put it down. You pull it down.
Like this?
Yes, that's it.
Ah,
Now
it's in a drive.
Yes.
And I just drive.
And you go.
It brakes nicely.
Like this. You can change the regen if you want to.
Is standard that like
Standard is yeah, that it...
Polestar had also
Yeah,
like
you
this,
can-
like
and now it's-
easily.
Yeah, now it's the... I switched it off.
Okay.
Can do high.
Let's see what high is. Oh, high is really